Today we will talk about some core feature of Python. This is about how we can apply set operation as well as the key value pair, I mean the dictionary operation on a Python object. Suppose we are doing something like that from dataset, data class, import data class, right? Then we are doing something like that, data class, class person, and the name is about string and age is about integer, like right now we are doing something like that. Person 1 is about person name the and age is about 21, and person 2 is about person bt and her age is about 23. Now those are the two objects, right? Now my question is that can I apply set operation on those two objects, like persons is about person 1, person 2, set of persons print. Can I do that? Okay, let's run that. It is saying that unhashable type person. What does it mean? Okay, so the meaning of that is every Python object has an hash value, and if it is user defined class, then you must have to implement its dunder hash method to apply set operation as well as dictionary operation. Okay, now let's talk about a dictionary. Like it's about dict person, and then we are doing something like that. Big person is about person 1, and suppose the value is about a person's job, I mean suppose doctor. Can we do that? Okay, let's run that. Okay, we are getting same error, unhashable type person. Very complicated, right? Okay, let's make it simple. Def underscore underscore hash underscore underscore self. Right now we should return self dot name. It's very simple hash actually, plus self.h. Now we are trying to see the outcome. Oops, now it works, right? Okay, now we are going to apply some set operation in there. Is it possible? Yeah, definitely it is possible, right? As we have implemented the hash value. How we can remove the duplicate from the set value? Because those are the different object, right? Let's insert some duplicate object. Right now this object is duplicate because we have same name and same age. Now I'm inserting that in a list, and now if I apply the set operation, then only two objects will be displayed. See that only two objects are being displayed in here. However, in the list we have three objects, and these person 1 and person 3 is about same object, and that's why the set has simply discarded the same value. So what is the most important part in there? When we try to apply set operation as well as try to consider a complex object, I mean user defined object on a dictionary key, definitely then we need to apply the underscore underscore hash value. That hash value will return an unique integer value. Thank you everyone.